Susie here again. Welcome to the User section of Contribute Signage. Contribute Signage allows you to create additional users that have access to your account. We've designed Contribute Signage so you are able to control exactly what each of your users is able to do. For example, you may just want a user who is able to update a layout, but not have access to crisis management. With Contribute Signage, you can control the exact role of your users, either using custom privileges or by creating a template that you can apply to your users. Let's take a look at how we do this. First, click on the Create User button over there. Then, you need to enter the name, email, and choose a password for your user. They can change this later on when they log in if they wish. Next, you need to define exactly what they do in the system. If you choose Custom, here, you can put a check mark next to all the things you want your user to be able to do on Contribute Signage. When you are finished, click Save, and your new user will appear in the User table underneath this video. Now, if you're going to create multiple users that will do the same tasks or have the same access, it is best to define a user role template that you can apply to your users to save you time. To do that, click on the Create New User Template button over there. Give your role a name, and then define what the users will be able to do. As before, put a check in the box of the parts of the software you would like to give them access to. Then click Save. When you next create a user, instead of choosing the Custom dropdown, you are able to select the role template you have just created. Thanks for watching!